Hi Harry. The problem with the drill sharpen accessory is that it's wobbling like this. Look here. Here it's everything fixed. And everything should swing around if I'm relieving this. Like this. But the problem is that in time that I'm twisting this part, the accessory it's moving. And actually it's coming out. And the problem is that this stone, it has a lot of speed, and I can damage the stone even if, and this wobbling probably will go to the breaking of the stone. And it's very dangerous because this stone, if it's breaking, it's like a projectile from here. Okay? That's the problem. And I think that this part here, this part here, it should stay put here, fixed, like this. That's it.